Would you believe that your smile is a powerful source of perseverance and success? Similarly, everyone's goal is living well and smile of happiness from a good quality of life. Thailand is abundant with agricultural products throughout the year, which is why the country is known as a major global food supply. However, it is clear that consumers are more particular in their selection of agricultural products. Frequently, chemical residue or contamination is found in agricultural products, which are below standard, causing consumers to lose confidence in the quality and safety of their food. So, how can we be certain that the agricultural products that we purchase are safe and of good quality? As the principal provider of telecom services in Thailand, Cat Telecom realized the importance of the country's agro industry and developed a service called Cat eSmart Farm Traceability Agricultural Product Service to increase confidence in the quality of agricultural products from Thailand. This service allows consumers to quickly trace the source of production, the manufacturing process from farm to packing house, and to verify quality, including rapid transport. In the same way, promote exports of agricultural product to trading countries to be more flexible. Cat eSmart Farm, the system of agricultural product traceability, is a service that adds value to make Thai agricultural products differentiate in terms of quality and food safety, to support the promotion of Thai products to compete effectively with other countries. Moreover, it increases the competitiveness of Thai products in international markets by allowing trading countries to trace the products quickly and more accurately at all times. That will affect the expanding market, the enhanced competitiveness of Thai agricultural products in global markets, for agricultural products are provided on three groups: vegetables, fruits, and orchids. In case a defective product is found, it can be recalled quickly and damage limited control with Trace It Smart. Farm Smart Farm Traceability. Quality Smart Quality Management. Production Smart Production Traceability. Freight Smart Transportation Traceability. Trace It Smart Overall Traceability. So the operator has three ways to trace by using Trace It Smart. The first method is Trace Forward, where you start from any point in the supply chain process and go forward. Second is Trace Backward, where you start from any point in the supply chain process and go backward. The third and final method is Recall, where you check products that need to be recalled to limit the scope of defective product. For customers will be taken care of, as well as management also in terms of programs. With modern technology, data storage and security of CAT, as well as inquiry service from our professional team, CAT Contact Center 1322 for 24 hours. Thus reducing the burden of managing IT systems and reduce the cost of investing. Cat eSmart Farm brings a smile of happiness and confidence and strengthens Thai farmers' ability to compete in global markets. This is yet another successful service to strengthen telecom capabilities in Thailand. Cat Telecom is committed to the continuing development of leading technologies and is proud to be an important contributor to Thailand's role as an agro-industry country with safe and quality agricultural products in global markets and lasting forever.